crush.
So this is love.
My happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy.
Okay.
Bitch, I'm cute. 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 Season, yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever. Oh, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole and
You know how a dog drinks water. Most people think dogs lick the water. But it is only discovered by slowing down the camera by 50 times. We have been cheated by dogs. When they drink water, they put their tongue into the water first, then roll it back. The tongue is shaped like a spoon, in the rapid upward pullback. It makes full use of the principle of fluid mechanics, so they can drink more water quickly. Of course, not all dogs drink like this. For example, Husky is different.
Barking at my dog and seeing his reaction.
No.
sit. Whiskey sit. Whiskey shake. Good boy. 2 shakes.
Sweet, that's so sweet. Thank you. Oh, that's in my ear. Oh, that's lovely. That feels so good. Nice and cool.
I'd like to leave.
Always been freaking me out. Couldn't make you happier now. Sometimes I think about you.
When the sky comes falling, even the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I think